Get you.
Thank you, Mark.
It's a wonderful song.
Thank you.
You sing like angels.
Thank you.
Get you, please. 1 minute. There's something I want to tell you.
James, whatever you want to tell me has to wait. As you can see, I'm just coming from the farm.
It's important and I know you will like it.
What is it?
Ogechi! What are you doing here? Standing with a man?
No, Mama, I'm not standing with him.
Don't tell me this is what you do anytime we send you to the farm.
No, Mama. I was just coming from the farm and then he said he wanted to tell me something. So I now stood to hear what he has to say.
Oh yeah? Una? Officer! And you? Mama? If your plan is to move around this village, looking for young girls to impregnate, my daughter Ogechi is an exception.
Mama, I have a good intention towards your daughter.
Jide intention, Jide, do the right thing. They're moving around, looking for girls that you will destroy, not my daughter. Hey, my daughter, sit down. You know it's not good for you to be seen around, moving with young men in this village. It's not good at all.
Mama, it's not what you are thinking. James was only appreciating the song I was singing when I was coming back from the farm. It's nothing.
Whatever. I just want you to be very careful. You know you are only I. I don't want you to disgrace us.
No, Mama, never. I can't. Mama, I can't ever disgrace you and Papa. I won't. Besides, I strongly want to continue with school and further my education as a doctor. You see? So I can't do anything stupid.
So very soon, I'll be addressed as a lay doctor. Hey,
exactly.
That would be wonderful.
You see, Mama, that's why I cannot disgrace you and Papa. I know I'll pass my exams because I'm hearing very, very well.
Thank you. Adam, darling, let's go inside and prepare something for your father before he comes back.
Uzoka! What is that stupid father of yours?
My father is not stupid.
Will you keep quiet? Where is your father?
Why are you addressing my husband like that?
Uzoka, where is my money? If you don't give my money today, both of us will kill ourselves here.
Papa, who's going to Biko. It has not gotten to that now. He'll pay you. Biko, no?
Amadi, I told you I was going to pay you by the weekend. Must you come to my house and embarrass me because I am owing you? And I embarrassed you, when you came to my house, begging me to lend you this money for your daughter's entrance registration. You forgot I will come to your house and embarrass you. Where is my money?
Chamanda, please, there's no need for problem. There's no need for trouble. He will pay you this money by the weekend. Believe me, he will pay you by the weekend.
Uzoka, weekend you said, Okay.
Amadi abai monsunono.
Yeah, this is just a token of gift to show you how I appreciate you, okay? You just manage it for them.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. Hope you like it.
Yes,
please,
thank you.
Yeah, please make sure you take good care of yourself.
Yeah, thank you.
I will talk to you later.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Ify. Hey, for me. Hey! What did you do for him that's making him give you all these things?
Are you a baby? Ima is my boyfriend now.
Hey! Ifnaya, my My mother says mixing up with all these boys can ruin one's future.
That is not true. Okay, Chiku, you need a man in your life that will help you to get these things now. Eh? Are you telling me you don't need them?
I don't need
I need them more. If you're interested, I can hook you up to a man's friend. He's a nice guy, yo. So I will not give you I will not give you anything.
I'm so confused.
James, what is it?
I'm so confused. So confused.
Confused? About what?
Nick, I love that girl Ogechi.
Eh?
Yes, I want to marry her. I don't know what is wrong with her mother. She's a problem to me. She's a hindrance. Now, yeah, you come in now.
Wait. You love Ogechi and you want to marry her. Eh? In that case, you have to press your button so hard now. Yes, press your button so hard. Okay. I think you should talk to Father about it. Maybe he will assist you.
You they do my moral, now what for you? They do like say you don't be James again.
Okay, anybody who's marry you.
I make no go there.
Let's get to the house.
That is the only option.
Zoka, I greet you.
You're welcome.
I often say that he that comes in peace goes in peace.
Okay.
Good tidings have brought me to your house.
Okay. Now that we have had your mission, let us call our daughter. The decision for her to go or not to go is not ours. She has to decide. Isn't there? Isn't there? Please call Ogechi there. Bring her. Isn't there? What Ogechi be on? Mpompong.
Where's the jamba?
This man is James. He is here to ask your hand in marriage. And we decided to call you to tell us what to do.
James, I do like you, but marriage is not my major priority for now. My education is. I have to go to school to further and become a medical doctor. I'm sorry, I can't marry you. Please excuse me.
Please, come.
James, you should have finished your homework before bringing us here now.
Don't blame him. My son, let's go. Stand up.
You're dulling my spirit. I don't like it.
Let's go.
One of mine, I couldn't marry him when I hang on mine.
I'm not happy.
I couldn't marry him, and this is a Ghanaian.
I want my uncle.
Yes, my daughter. have called you for us to discuss what happened earlier in the day.
Papa, is it about James?
No, not really about James. I want you to understand that we want the best for you. I am aware of your desire to pursue your education and qualify as a medical doctor. But we don't have enough money to train you.
Papa. Yes. Why are you telling me all this? What do you want me to do?
I want you to consider marrying any of those suitors that have been seeking for your hand in marriage. You may be lucky to get one that is wealthy, who will also be willing to see you through your education.
I told the councillor to give me ₦1 billion to campaign for his re-election. He ran away.
₦1 billion?
₦1 billion. He can afford it.
Oh, it's too much.
They make a lot of money. In a month, up to ₦10 billion can come the way of a councillor. So he can afford it, yeah.
You're welcome.
Who is that girl?
Well, she's daughter of Uzoka.
Uzoka. So Uzoka has got such a beautiful and bossy girl?
She's not just pretty in appearance, but she's also well trained.
Trained?
Yes.
Do you know her excellent attributes? You should get her from any other girl in this village. And I tried to marry her to my son, but she refused.
For me, even tell her why. Why did she refuse?
She says she wants to go to school.
That is not an excuse. But Keke, I think you did not do your homework well. If you did, Uzoka's daughter will not refuse your son's hand in marriage.
If you think you're smarter than me, they'll go and marry her to your son.
So because your son could not succeed in marrying her, no other person can?
Ask him.
Well, all I'm saying is that if you think you are smarter than me, go and try. Just try.
For me, even tell her why.
I said you did not do well.
Then go and try now. So go and try.
I'm not interested.
Excuse me. Chief.
Ojemba. Oma.
So Ugechi has become the cynosure of all eyes in my village. Eh? Is she more beautiful than my daughter, Chidera? Look at Okeke, boasting and challenging me over Ugechi. I know what to do. I am going to prove to them that I am equal to the task. I'll make sure I marry Ugechi. Ugechi will be my wife and I am her husband. Half warm even or tell why. Half warm even.
I hope all is well.
Why are you asking that?
I have observed that your mood changed since you came back this evening.
There is nothing that should bother you.
I hope so, because today It's my turn to share the bed with you. What is this one doing? Mrs. What is she doing here? I didn't expect to see her here. That can't happen. Today is my turn. Oh, I don't care. I don't care. My please tell her to leave this room. I am not going anywhere. Eh? You will not. You what? Ah! You will not. I will not. Come look. I will look.
Enough of this rubbish.
Stop it. Nonsense.
Enough.
Husband snatcher.
Now talk you. Leave here immediately.
You will not. Look. Husband snatcher. I will deal with you. Nonsense.
Two of you are struggling over me while I'm thinking of the third bride to bring into this house. I want me here to tell them why.
Wait, my wife is coming. Thank you. It is not complete.
That is all we have for now. We will give you the balance very soon.
Please, we will pay the remaining ones. Take him. If you don't give me my complete money, something terrible will happen here. Tell him to give my money.
He's owing you?
Yes.
What's okay? How much are you owing me?
10,000 naira.
10,000 naira! I'm home here to the wine. Amadi, just because of 10,000 naira you are embarrassing Uzoka and his family?
Tell him to give me my money. It's been long.
It's not fair. It is not fair.
Amadi.
I'm home here to the wine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold this. I want me here not tell you why. Is it complete?
Thank your gods that Ojemba saved you. Otherwise, you would have seen the other side of me.
Okay.
Nonsense.
Amadi. Give your husband that money back. Give it back to me.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you, sir. It's your Ojemba. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anytime you're in financial problem, let me know. Let me know in advance. What I saw was not good for you. Oh?
Thank you, Children.
I'm warming you, not telling why.
Thank you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Let's get into the house.
Okay.
Alright.
No. Snake? I'll warm you here until I'm wine.
Thank God you are here.
Okay. Let's get her to a herbal home so she can receive medication.
I don't have any money here.
Uzoka, How many times have I warned you not to complain about money? Eh? What are friends for? I'm a friend to this family. I've always told you. Oh, don't worry about money.
Hey, Chi, thank you very much, sir.
Okay, okay. It's nothing. It's nothing.
What is it? No, you'll be better. You'll be better before you know it. Okay, let's go. Let's go this way. Come this way. No, tell them why. You'll be okay. Oh, you'll be okay. It's a small matter to me.
I'm very happy the way your wife is having speedy recovery.
Oh, Jemba,
I'm happy.
thank you so much.
Okay.
I lack words enough to appreciate all that you have done for my family and I. Thank you.
Don't mention. See, I'm doing all this because of the love I have for your family. So,
Oh, gentlemen,
yeah.
thank you very much.
Okay.
My family and I are indebted to you.
Okay. I'll be on my way. Eh? Okay.
Thank you. Extend my regards
Okay.
to your family.
I'll do that. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I prepared a very delicious okra soup. Let me go and get it for you.
Just wait. No, wait. See, I'm going to promise you one thing. When next week come, of course we're going to do justice to whatever delicacy you present. Right now, let's tidy up this photo.
Little.
I promise you. Next time, we'll do it. I've met my promise. I will fulfill it. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Happy and boss, I'll be here. We have heard what you said. Your intention to marry our daughter. It's not bad. But whether she marries you or not, it's not our decision, but hers.
It's alright, but whenever we come, let's come and receive good news, right? Meanwhile, give this to your wife to continue to take good care of my future wife.
It's just
I was before I came here.
Oh, man, the
family will benefit.
Papa, there's nobody marrying children. How dare he come here to ask my hand in marriage? He wants me to be his third wife? Of course not, Papa. There's no way. No.
My daughter, Kosi demands that we consult him. And that's exactly what I'm doing.
Papa, you don't have to consult. You don't need my opinion in this. His daughter and I are age mates. I cannot marry a man who's old enough to be my father. No, Papa, no. I can't. Mama, tell him now.
Okay, she's right. And she made a very big point. I don't even know why Ojemba will come here asking for her hand in marriage. Obanya, the cha-cha-cha-cha. It's out of place.
It's alright. I'm only talking because I was asked to seek your opinion. And that's my case.
Tell him I said no. I honestly intend to further my education as a medical doctor. And I'm not interested in marriage right now.
But I've heard you. No problem.
Please, where are you hurrying off to? My mother sent me an errand. Okay, I went to check my entrance examination result online. They said it's coming up next week.
I know it's coming out next week. I was scared when you said you went to check. I'll check it myself too when it comes out next week.
You? Yes. Check your own.
Why not?
I heard you're getting married now.
Me? Yes. Getting married? To who?
To Jimba now.
Who are you again? The gods forbid. Ify! How can I marry a man as old as my father? Where did you hear that? The news is everywhere. Who are you again? It's you. If it's not true, how can I... What? Of course not now. I can't marry a man as old as my father because I want to go to school. I'm not even interested in marriage now. Okay. My own is just that you have to be very, very careful with that man, no? Because he stops at nothing in getting whatever he wants. And you know him. Ify, there's nothing to be careful about. It's a no. I want to go to school, not get married. It's just an advice, so you just have to be very careful. That's my own. Let me go and cook for my own. I'll see you later. Bye. Yeah.
I was really thinking of establishing a farm settlement for your family so that you can... It's in there. Good Lord, I don't know.
Ajembe.
Yes, it is an actor. Bless it. Okay. Oh, you don't know. You're correct. Break one. It's cool now.
No, I don't like it.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I have come to find out the result of the discussion between you and your daughter over my marriage proposal.
None. Our discussion with our daughter about your marriage proposal to her didn't yield any positive result.
What are you talking about? Why?
Nai, my daughter said she wants to further her education and she doesn't want marriage to be an obstacle.
It won't be a problem. I can take her to any level. Even if she wants to go abroad to study, I can sponsor it. So that won't be a problem.
Ojemba, our daughter said that she has to finish her education before going into marriage.
We are still saying the same thing. I can grant her the opportunities as long as she agrees to marry me. We can even start breeding children. The thing is about money. Whatever she mentions, I will take care financially. I mean, whatever. Two of you have to talk sense into her. You know, she's still a young girl.
Nai, we did. But my daughter said she can't be a third wife. In fact, she said you're too old for her.
For me, why? That I'm too what? Too old.
Ojemba.
Too old?
Ojemba.
So all the time I was coming here, rendering one health or the other, I wasn't too old? Any amount of money you demanded, I will give you. I wasn't too old? All your distress calls, I answered. I wasn't too old?
Ojemba,
is that what you're telling me?
Understand me.
For me, why? For me, why? Is that the way you put it? So you're even supporting your daughter to reject me because of old age? Eh? I'm going. Don't worry. That's your collar. For me, why? Don't worry. Thank you. I've seen the true color of this family. And I see your coin. It's a gang up. The three of you. They're getting my money. All of a sudden they found me too old.
Ojemba.
Ojemba.
What did I have to say that?
You are now blaming me.
Why must you tell him?
You are now blaming me.
Why?
I've said it. Ogechi, I'm here. Mama, what I have done it. I have done it! What is it? I passed my exams. And guess what? They gave me admission to University of Osaka. I swear! Wonderful! Sit here. That was the first I had a first sit. Hey! This is wonderful. So you're going to read medicine? Because no medicine, no medicine. Medicine and surgery. Ekuna. Your father will be happy to see this. I swear. Hey! God. Hey! Eh? Hey! Oh God! This is wonderful.
I invited you here because I want us to reason like men. By the way, I want to plead that you forget about what happened the other day I came to your house. It was unfortunate. It was unfortunate actually.
I don't know.
Having said that, I want to say I love your daughter. Uzoka, I love your daughter and I wish to marry your daughter. Please, grant me this request.
My daughter has since taken decision on this issue, and I don't think it can be changed.
Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. Let me tell you. The only thing your daughter is talking about, laying emphasis about, is education. I want to tell you, I can train your daughter in the university. I can do it. Let me tell you, your family has a lot to benefit from me. I'll just carry that family on my shoulder, make it my own. Just convince your daughter. What I am struggling for is for the two of us to become in-laws at the end of the day. Find a way to help me, make it work.
Ajamba, what you are asking me to do is not as easy as you think.
It is very easy. Okay, let me break it down.
Go ahead.
See, if you convince your daughter to marry me, I'll give you this portion of land. This portion of land there. It's my plot of land. It stretches from here down to where you have that mighty tree. Everything here will belong to you. Let me just tell you. See, I'll give you some money now to give to your wife. Tell your wife that I'm begging her to come to my support. Make your daughter my wife. Everything I have will be yours. Give her this money. Tell her that I'm begging. Let her support me. It's my heart desire. Please. Get her convinced.
You mean that all this, the land and this money,
everything here,
belong to my family?
Exactly.
Just for us to help you convince our daughter to marry you?
Very simple. See, let me tell you. Where this one came from, plenty is waiting for you. Just convince her, that's all.
You see, Ojemba, I already consider you as my in-law. I cannot disappoint you. I mean it.
Thank you.
I can't disappoint you.
Thank you. Darling. So I'm going to wait for your result. At least the next 4 market days can give us something. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nai, why did you collect this money from Ochemba? Why? Marrying my daughter, is it a do or die affair?
I think we should give him a chance. He means well for us. Besides, Ojemba, we make a good son-in-law.
A good papa-in-law. Ichi Ojemba will make a good papa-in-law. Because he's old enough to be my father. Papa, me, I don't care what he gets to you or what you give to him. Me, I can't marry that man.
Will you shut up your mouth? Why won't you listen and reason along with me? Don't you know that if he marries you, our lives will change? Or do you like this suffering? It have fun at all.
Enough of that. Hey! Nai, I'm not going to fold my arms here and watch you push my daughter into marrying that man. Not possible. And for your information, if you want peace to continue to reign in this house, let's not talk about this issue again.
Listen, I will come here. Listen, Naniaba!
Look at who's Zoka.
Ojembe.
Who's Zoka one?
Ojembe.
I was going to your house.
I was equally coming to your house.
So, what's the good news?
You see, I've been very busy with farm work. That's why you have not seen me. And I want to come and tell you that I tried, but it couldn't work.
What did you try and what could not work?
Ojembe, the way we planned it, it could not work that way.
Ozoka, are you telling me that you were not man enough to talk your daughter into what should be good for her? Is that what you're saying?
Ojembe, I told you it didn't work. And this is the money which you gave to me. Take it.
Listen, Ozoka, the moment I gave you this money, I have taken my mind off it. I made the money to belong to you, so keep the money. But I must tell you that you have failed me. You disappointed me. In spite of the promises you made to me that it was going to work. Look at what you're telling me now.
Ojemba, I did my best. I did my best.
Where is the result of your best? Eh?
Ojemba, come and take your money. Bia wele go. Ayaga. Onye obene onye nwa hebra onye jege.
Keep that money. Let me tell you, in my house there's plenty of this. I have this several times over. What am I going to do with it? We send it to your family to use for one thing or the other. But I must still tell you that I have been disappointed.
Oh, Jemba, well, you go. Onye nwa hebra jide go.
Hold me here, no tell why.
Yeah, where go?
Hold me here, no tell why.
I've served your food since. It's been waiting. That food will soon get cold.
I'll come and eat.
Nani, are you sure everything is all right?
Everything is all right.
Okay. All right.
Remove them first. Let me see. Oh, your body is too hot. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, you see. Why you? Sorry. This is your sudden illness. I don't understand. It's getting out of hand. Send Ogechi to Itika, the medicine man. She'll soon be here.
I'm feeling very weak. My body is very, very weak. I don't know. It's as if something is moving. Like hot iron. Hot iron is moving around my body inside.
Moving what?
Hot iron. Inside.
Moving. Mbao. What happened to you? Nano. She will soon be here. Odim, Inugo.
Thank you.
Ogachi! What's wrong? Why are you running helter-skelter? How is your father faring?
He's getting worse.
Getting worse?
So my mother asked me to go to Otika, the medicine man, to get some herbs for him.
That won't be necessary because it will amount to waste of money.
How?
See, I got touched about this your father's condition. So I bought medicine for him. But I wanted to bring it to your house in the evening, but now I saw you. Let's go and pick the medicine.
It's your Jemba, thank you. Thank you so much.
It will be all right.
Thank you.
Don't get...
Okay, thank you very much.
Don't worry, she'll soon be here. There she comes. Mama. Thank you. Thank you. Nine. 20 again. Help me bring the set up.
Okay, sorry. Very much. Okay, sorry. I don't know if I've given you. No, my one is just enough. Okay. Sorry.
Don't worry, you'll soon be fine.
Mama, we have to go and thank Ichi Ujemba. On my way to get the herbs you sent me for, I saw him, and he told me Papa had already told him how he was feeling. So he went to get the herbs and he even paid for it.
Oh, he's a nice man.
God bless him.
God bless him. What is it? No, just relax. Just relax. You can't relax. Let the medicine go. What is it, Mama? What is it? Papa? What is it? What is it? Go and call Nzekwe. Go and call Nzekwe for me. Go and call him. Stop this. What is it? No. Don't do this to me. What I know? No. Come and call you. My father is dying, please. My father is dying. Dying? Please, sir. I'm coming. Okay, sir. Mama. What happened? Are they sleeping? Mama! Papa! Hey! Mama! Hey! Hey! What is this? What is it? What happened? I don't know what's happened. Mama! Hey! Mama! What did I tell you? Something like this has never happened for more than 2 years ago. Hey! What has happened?
What happened? The unthinkable has happened. No, Uduma, don't be afraid to say it. Ogechi has killed her parents. For me, even I'll tell them why. That what happened? Go to Ozoka's house and see their corpses. For me, even I'll tell them why. Ogechi has some explanation to do about the death of her parents. Uduma, are you telling me the truth? Let me go and see for myself. Ogechi, your story is not convincing. You told us that Ojemba gave you some medicine to give to your father. But when I got there, your mother was also dead. Now, did you give the medicine to your mother also?
No, I don't know.
Ogechi, why is it that you don't want to tell us the truth? It is only the truth that will set you free.
Oh.
Please, tell us the simple truth. Let's see how we can help you out, okay?
I hope you know what awaits anyone that is guilty of killing another in Omamona. You will be banished. Imagine that.
Nah, I swear, I don't know anything. I don't know what happened. I just left and I came back to and I saw them dead.
Elders, can't you see that Ogechi has nothing meaningful to tell us? She's only shedding crocodile tears. She has nothing to tell us. Oh. My elders, we are wasting time here. Ogechi should just leave us so that we know how to conclude and sort this thing out. Take what is. She should just leave us now. He said you should leave. Ogechi, go. We shall get to you later. Go.
I don't know anything that
He said you should go. Just go. Leave us.
Youth leader, I want you to take it easy with her, with Ogechi, please.
There is nothing to take easy here. Go. Go.
I just want to...
Ogechi, leave now.
I want to get to the house.
Ogechi, go now. Go.
Naizako, everything has become so confusing. What is going on in your name? Oh, but here. It is crystal clear that girl killed her parents. That girl is a witch. It's very obvious. She's a witch.
So what are we going to do?
Okay, how was your discussion with the elders? They didn't believe me. How do I bleed? My father was the only person who took the herbs. What killed my mother? I don't know. I came in there and found them both dead. I don't know. They reviewed the whole case again and insisted I'd be banished. I am innocent, Ifi. I'm innocent. Ogiji, how could you watch these people banish you for a crime you didn't commit? How could you? What do I do? Who do I know? My parents are dead. I'm helpless with no one to fight for me. I don't know where to turn to. Ogiji, you have an option. Why not marry Chief Ojimba and end all these problems for yourself? No, I can't. I can't marry a man as old as my father. Every time I see Chief Ojimba, all I feel for him is disgust. The man is old enough to be my father. I can't. He's a family friend, yes, but I feel nothing for him. I can't.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Ogechi, irrespective of what you've done or said against me, I still love you. I still love you. Accept my proposal. See, I'm aware everybody is hating you to the marrow. But all are saying, banish her, banish her. But I want to be there for you. Accept my proposal. Please. Okay, Biko, I'm begging you.
Ichi Ojemba. Ichi. How many times do I have to tell you I will not marry you? I've told you time and time again, no, I won't marry you. Am I the only young girl in this village? Why won't you let me be?
Okay, Ichi, you are a girl with a difference. What I see in you, I've never seen in any other girl in my life.
Ichi, I will remove this your red cap and push you. I will remove your red cap and push you.
Remove my red cap, I won't feel offended. But if any elder does it, I'll break that elder. But if it comes from you, I won't mind. If you like, you do it now.
Ichi, I'll bite you. I'll bite you. I'll bite you and push you.
If you bite me, it will give me joy. It won't give me pain. See, I'm serious about it. See, if you want me to kneel down, I can kneel for you, Ogechi. This is my knee, an elder's knee. A cabinet member's knee can touch the ground for your sake. For your sake, okay? See, I'm seeing even your heart now, where there is a deep love. But in your face, it seems you are pretending. So this pretense will not help us. Biko, no? Biko, okay? Biko, no? You change it. I came in respect of this abominable incident that happened. Your kindred. How can one explain the sudden death of Uzoka and his wife? Eh?
My brother, I'm short of words.
For me, we're not telling why. For me, we're not telling why. But I'm sure as an elder, you are not going to stay at home and watch the she-goat deliver at the tether. This girl called Ogechi must be made to suffer for this abominable act she committed.
It has not been ascertained that Ogechi killed her parents. We're still looking into the matter.
Look, what other evidence are you looking for? When I was told that you were a witness to the entire thing?
You see, when I got there, Uzoka and his wife were already dead. Meanwhile, our kinsmen are still looking into that matter.
For me, we're not telling why. You know what I'm going to advise you and your kindred? Something very fast must be done to forestall this thing happening in future in our community. An action very fast. Tell your kindred. Don't sit and watch. There's danger.
That's it.
For me, we're not telling why.
I'm going. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'm going. For me, we're not telling why.
My dear, you have to take it easy. It's only God that knows what I am.
How can this happen to me? Everybody's accusing me of being responsible for the death of my parents. Why would I kill my parents? Why would I kill my parents?
No, it's not true.
Why would I kill my parents? Why would I kill my parents? Why would I kill my parents?
Okay,
yeah.
Are you still crying? Stop crying, stop crying. No. See, what has happened. Okay, is it pray to God to give you the fortitude to bear this loss? Oh, it's okay. It's alright. Meanwhile, I want to see you guys. Let's come. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. For me, it's okay. See, I've heard the story of almost everybody in the village accusing you of being responsible for the death of your parents. But I know that you are innocent.
Innocent?
I know you can't hurt a fly.
Why would I kill my parents, Ichi? Why would I kill my
But
parents?
it's just a pity that they are looking that direction. Oh, now let me tell you. You know I'm a member of the Igbo's cabinet. Yes. And I'm the only person who can use his influence to protect you, to ward off any attack against you.
Please.
Yes.
Maybe you can help me. Help me. Don't hesitate.
I will help you. I will not look back in fighting for you. I will not look back. But you have to be my wife. See, if you get married to me, I will use all weapons at my disposal to get you out of this mess, to fight against them.
That will be over my dead body, Chi.
What will be over your dead body?
What are you saying? What are you insinuating?
For me, when I tell them why.
Oh, Chi. Leave.
Huh? Actually?
Yes.
Can't harm me when I tell them why. Can't harm me when I tell them why.
Chi, leave, please. Come on, go.
Think about it. Don't be at the point.
Come on, go. Leave. Ify. Hey. Ify, oh. Ify.
I don't want them to come here.
My bag! I'm not going! Let them kill me! I'm not going. They should kill me.
It has been proven beyond all reasonable doubt that you kill your parents. You kill them. And that is an abominable offense. And the punishment, according to the laws in the land of Umuamure, is what? Banishment. Therefore, you have been banished for life. Now the choice is yours. Do you want us to use force on you? Or you will quietly and gently leave this land?
I'm not going!
You're not going anywhere. Now I will call the youth for you. Okay, it's okay. Leave me alone.
You're about to kill me! I'm not going! You're about to kill me! I'm not going! I will not go!
Unana chumo kamba buronye, unana Onyega n'olugi Chineke mo efugi feneme Abuzi modindu Omukama Onye jura junuwa Ona jomeya Akamudi ocha Sogi kam nakosara Chineke mo Emukwanya Chime emukwanya Inafugwe feneme Akwamu metunugi n'obi Kedu ebe m ga-agbaga Aga m akọsara onye Arapụkwara m Chime emukwanya Chime emukwanya Inafugwe feneme Akwamu metunugi n'obi Kedu ebe m ga-agbaga Aga m akọsara onye Biko arapụkwana m Chime emukwanya Chime emukwanya Ọkwa mụ na afụfụ ụwa Akwa mụ metunugi n'obi Kedu ebe m ga-agbaga Aga m akọsara onye Arapụkwana m Chime emukwanya Chime emukwanya Akwa mụ metunugi n'obi Chime emukwanya Ije ụwa ọ bụ ka o si adị Afụfụ ụwa ọ bụ ka o si afụ Ụmụ ụwa chụba gị onye ga-anụ olu gị Chineke mo efughị ife na-eme Abụzi mmadụ ndụ ọnwụ ka mma Onye jụrụ ajụ n'ụwa ọ na-ajụ onwe ya Aka m dị ọcha sọ gị ka m na-akọsara Chineke mo emukwanya Chime emukwanya Ị na-afụkwa ife na-eme Akwa m metunugi n'obi Kedu ebe m ga-agbaga Aga m akọsara onye Arapụkwara m Chime emukwanya
Hey! Come here. Who are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
What did you go there to do?
Nothing, sir.
So you are one of those that go to mess up this compound there?
No, sir. I did not mess up the compound, sir.
Yes,
No.
I have caught you today. You are going to clear everything
No,
here.
sir. I did not mess up the compound, sir. I live here. I mean...
What do you mean you live here? You live here? How?
I'm staying there, sir. Please, sir. I'm begging you, sir. Don't send me away, sir. My name is Ogechi. I'm from Umamure village. My parents died and I was accused of killing them. But I'm innocent, sir. I'm innocent, so they banished me. Please, I don't have any other place to go to. I have no one to fight for me. Just let me manage a little bit until I find my feet, sir. Please. I'm keeping the place clean. I don't mess it up.
Ijuwa,
Honey, that story was unbelievable. I don't want to believe that banishment still exists in Igbo land.
I'm as surprised as you are.
The amazing thing is that she was accused of killing her parents.
Well, strange things happen. But I don't think it's safe for you to allow her stay in Bodeni's house.
See, I couldn't bring myself down to ask her to leave. I was touched by the way she was weeping.
Well, let's pray nothing goes wrong.
You have a point there.
Boo-boo. I'm playing. What are you saying? I'm serious, I'm not joking. I promise now. Trust me this time, I cross my heart. You see me. Are you suspecting me? I'm in school.
Sophie! I thought you were getting ready to go to school.
Should I hold on, please? Let me talk to my brother. I'll call you back.
Will you get off the phone and go get ready and go to school and stop lying? This way.
What are you doing here?
I came here because of you. I want you to come back to me.
Come back where?
Do you enjoy the suffering you are going through? Ogechi, it doesn't befit you. Just agree to marry me and I'll turn your life for the better.
Chiwetalu, if you know what is good for you, you will leave this place right now.
But Ogechi, understand that I love you.
Ichie, go.
Understand that I love you. Okay, realize it. For me, no tell why. For me, no tell why.
Okay.
Oh. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
I came to see how you're faring.
I'm very fine, thank you. I'm fine.
Yeah, I brought this food for you, so you can have some food to eat.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank God. Thank God. Now that you're settled, what can you do to earn a living?
I can do anything. I can wash. I can clean. I can cook. I can even farm. I used to assist my parents in the farm before they died.
Are you sure you can farm?
Very well. I can farm.
It's alright.
Thank you.
It's okay. Let me go now.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
this is the farmland. I want you to clear and till for me.
I've seen it, ma.
Are you sure you can do it?
Yes, ma, I can do it, ma.
Of course, she can do it very well now. I know Grechi, I trust her. Very, very well. I trust her.
Okay, no problem. When you're through, I will pay you 3,500.
Thank you, ma.
Okay.
Okay, ma.
Okay, you've seen it now, huh? You've seen it now.
Ijuwa obuko siade afufuwa obuko siafu omu wachubage oniga n'olugi Chineke mo efugi feneme abuzi modindu
Okay.
I was on my way to your house.
Yes, ma. Hope there's no problem.
No, ma. My money. I want to use it to buy something for myself.
Okay, no problem now. I'll pay you. But first of all, I have to go and supervise the work you did for me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's go.
Hi. Ogechi,
ma,
you did a very wonderful job in this farm. Hey, I like it. Okay, let me give you your money now. Hey.
Ma, it's 1,000 that you gave me.
That's the money for the work you did for me now.
No, ma. We agreed 3,500 naira for the farm, ma. And I worked on your farm for 4 days.
Okay, that's what I'm going to pay. It's either you take it or you leave it.
Ma, but that's not what we agreed on, ma. It's not fair.
Okay, are you not even happy that I gave you a job to do? See, if you don't want to take it, you leave it. That's what I can pay. Excuse me.
Ma.
Chineke mo efugi feneme abuzi modindu omukama onya jura junuwa.
Sophia, I have to run along so I don't get to the village late, okay? I will. I will. Most importantly, take care of yourself. And remember to go to school on time. Okay?
I will.
That's all she gave me for the work I did in that time.
What? What is this? No, I cannot allow her to cheat you. I must confront her and collect the balance from her.
No, Nandi, please. The only reason I told you was because I was feeling bad. But I'm better now. Just let it go.
No. I introduced you to this woman.
Please, let it go. It's okay.
It's alright. You can have the money.
Thank you. I should be going then.
It's okay. I'll see you later.
Thank you.
After you.
That's good.
Good food. Good food.
Aguna. Hey. You're welcome, my son.
You're welcome.
The next thing now is sleep.
Yes, it's very, very important.
But before I go to bed, Papa, I'd like to tell you people the reason I came home.
Oh, yes, my son.
I am no longer a baby. Papa, you see that my housing project?
The house project?
Yes. I would like to restart it again. And complete it.
Aguna, Ubekanna, okay one aburo. Nga.
What you said is very, very important, bet.
What is the bet there? What bet there?
You know what I'm talking about.
Mama, I know what you're talking about.
You know that you are no longer a baby.
I know. What is it? I have to complete the house first before she comes in.
But the girl can live in her house.
Mama, there is no way I can marry a girl and bring her in here. It's not possible.
This place will accommodate her.
Let me finish the house and then go for her. You know, the house is #1 project. Yes. She's #2 project.
So we should expect the project today.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You live here?
Yes, sir.
In somebody else's house? Who asked you to come in here?
Nobody, sir.
Nobody. So you just moved into this place?
No, sir. I told Nnamdi.
Nnamdi asked you to come and live here?
Yes, sir.
Nnamdi asked you to move in here? Into my house? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And for how long have you been here?
Sometimes, sir.
For some time now.
Yes, sir.
And you said Nnamdi asked you to move in here?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Ijuwa obuko siade afufuwa obuko siafu omu wachubage onyega n'olugi Chineke mo efugi feneme abuzi modindu omukama onajura junuwa onajomaya.
There, wake up. What's the meaning of what you did? Who is that girl in my building site? Who is that girl?
I can explain.
Explain what? Why would you allow someone into my building site without letting me know?
I will explain everything to you. Let's go inside first day.
Let us go. You must tell me yourself who that girl is. And why would you do such a thing? Not even a call? Let's go inside.
What else do you want Ebubago to do for you, Otibu? I am surprised that Ogechi rejected my marriage proposal. In fact, the more she rejects me, the more I find myself loving her. Hey, Ojem Otibu. I can see that it's difficult for you to take away your mind from her. Otibu, that is the major reason I have come here. Please, find out how she is faring on the other land. Ebubago, Jemoji n'ugegbe iji afọ ụzọ. Ongi wa bata flezi frozo. Jinke ekesi anyanwụ. Fugo me for no telling why. You can see. Otibu, who is that young man with her? He's her helper. What do you mean helper? Can you keep a piece of yam under the care of a goat? It's not proper. You are right. It is true that goat is yam under his care, but not the one consecrated to the gods. Are you assuring me? I don't want anything to happen to her. Otuabuke, I assure you. Onye lili nke uri jedebere arụsị ọnwụọnụ. Afugo me even tell why. Please, keep an eye on her. Tell me on regular occasion how she is faring. Please, Otibu. Don't worry. I assure you, I'll keep an eye on her. Okay. Thank you very much. Let me trust you. I assure you, I'll keep close eyes on her.
One Namba nandidi bije nuo na chuku keru ane mesi yoga fanya onye da namba nandidi bije nuo na chuku keru ane mesi yoga fanya.
Is she the one singing?
Oh yes, that is what she likes doing. Music is her only companion.
Oh my God. That's quite pitiable. Now let's go. Nambi's told me everything about you. How you lost your parents and you were accused of being responsible for their death and you were subsequently banished from the village. It's a pity. Unfortunately, I want to restart this building project, and I don't see any how you're going to be here while the building is going on. I'm afraid you have to look for someone else to stay.
Please, sir.
Nambi, you heard me, eh?
So I don't have any other place to go to. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Ijuwa, Obuko Sadi, Afufuwa, Obuko Siafu, Omu Wachubage, Oniga no Lugi, Chineke mo, Forgive me.
Sophia, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, they're fine. They sent their regards.
You must be very hungry.
Very, very hungry. What did you prepare?
Your favorite, of course.
Oh, really? Please, first get me water to drink.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, that reminds me. Mama is complaining seriously and bitterly that you don't get to call and you don't even get to visit. Yes, I know you're in school, but then you have to make time to go see her, okay?
Let me get it.
Please.
Ijuwa, Obuko Sadi, Afufuwa, Obuko Siafu, Omu Wachubage, Oniga no Lugi, Chineke mo, Forgive me. Abuzi Modindo.
Welcome. I'll be going back to the city, you know.
When?
Right now. And these people will be bringing the building material. Okay. Make sure the cements are packed carefully.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Ogechi, You fetched enough, eh? After that one, you go and rest, eh? So that you can do some other things.
Nandi, come on. What is this girl doing in your house?
She now lives with us now.
You mean you took her in?
Yes.
And your wife didn't say anything?
No, I explained everything to her. Dey, she's a very nice girl. Okay, she's good. Yes, she's good.
Now come, let me leave some money with you. What could be going on? This girl. She's good looking. Come on, Dennis. What's your mind? Get your mind off her. Come on. But the girl is good looking. I need a home girl. Down to earth. So, how are you? Wow. It's so good to be back home. How have you been?
I'm fine. Brother.
Yes.
You're looking so excited.
Yes, I'm excited. I am excited.
What is it?
You know, I cannot even explain how happy I am.
Tell me now.
Oh, God. So you won't believe it. I met a girl in the village. So, I've just told you that I met a girl in the village.
I met a girl in the village. Well, you not said anything. Okay, what's up?
So.
Oh, but that told me now.
So I just told you that I met a girl in the village.
Okay. Where's the girl from? What does she do? Who is she? Who are her parents? What does she do for a living? You know?
So take it easy. You ask too many questions at the same time. But never mind. At the right time, I will answer you.
No, brother. Tell me about this.
At the same time, I met a girl. So. I met a girl.
My brother is a girl. So sad.
You are doing that which you know how best to do. Keep it up. Otibu Abuke?
No.
Yes, sir. Otibu, I have come to find out if there's any new development with respect to Ugechi, my wife.
That's no cause for alarm, Ojemba. Although I'm seeing her with another young man.
Another what? Young man?
But there's no serious business between them.
For me, even no telling why. Why another young man? Why shouldn't they leave this girl for me? Why won't they allow her to rest? Why?
How can why come?
See, Ojubu, do whatever you can to stop any serious intention from anybody. Ogechi must come back to me as her husband. In the Bible will say, I could fetch her or Dalawo.
Ojemba, don't worry. My eyes are on her.
Please.
I went to the village from the office. Oh God, I'm tired. Like I said, I want to.
But I don't understand you again.
How do you mean?
This is your frequent visits to the village. Something tells me it's not only the building project you're going for. It's something else.
What are you trying to insinuate?
I'm not saying anything. Just that my instinct doesn't fail me.
No.
There's something...
Come on, Nazi, you take my bag upstairs, fix me something to eat. Naughty. Sometimes these things don't get to hide.
Ijuwa obuko sade afufuwa obuko siafu omu wachubage onyega n'olugi.
Good
afternoon, sir.
Ogechi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Wow. It's good to see you again. You sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm very good.
Very sure?
Yes.
I'm actually rushing back to the city. I brought you some gifts, okay? Make sure you take good care of yourself. I'll be coming from time to time to see you.
Okay, sir.
Make sure you take good care of yourself.
I will. Thank you.
Why you're smiling?
I can see all is well.
Yes, all is well.
So where are you coming from?
I went to meet Dennis.
Dennis? You mean Dennis came without letting me know?
Oh, no. He didn't come here. I had to go and meet him at the market square. He said he was very busy and he couldn't come here.
So what do you have in the bags? Gifts? From who?
From Dennis.
Hey, go and share to my wife now.
Okay.
Auntie. Hey, Auntie. Run on this, I should come and show you the things Dennis bought for me again.
All these things?
Yes, sir. Again.
This bag is fine.
I'm telling you, even the clothes, they're all beautiful.
All this is for you?
Yes.
Even this one?
Everything, provisions too.
Hey, but this bag I'll be carrying to church.
No problem, Auntie.
But come. Did he tell you anything?
No, he didn't tell me anything. He just said he was in a hurry to go back to the city.
Are you sure he didn't say anything?
No, Auntie. He didn't say anything.
Come and finish this thing I'm doing now, okay?
I just wanted someone very quiet, someone very serene, to give you this. It's for you.
Hey! The phone! Hey! Thank you very much.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
For you?
I like it. Thank you very much. Hey!
One more thing.
Hey!
Will you marry me?
Pranamdi, Dennis asked me to marry him.
Huh? So what did he tell him?
I don't know. I didn't know what to say. Pranamdi, please, can you tell me everything I need to know about Dennis? Like, everything.
Well, Dennis is a good man. He has a younger sister too. His parents are averagely rich. They have a good home. Very good people, very nice. You don't say. I thank God for you.
Thank God. Oh.
Huh? Yes. This is good.
Let me go and continue what I was doing.
It's alright, it's alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No. You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome. Good Nije. And I told you.
Sweetheart, these are my parents. Mama. This is Ogechi, the girl I want to marry.
Hey! Thank you, Lord.
So finally. Hey. You're welcome. Welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You see, our son here told us that he wishes to marry you.
Yes, sir.
That's why we demanded to see you.
Thank you very much, Mama.
If I may ask my daughter, what is your name and where do you come from?
My name is Ogechi, sir. And I'm from Umamori village.
Chair, Umamori here. Our neighboring village. Wonderful. I don't know.
My daughter, how are your parents?
My parents are late now.
Hey, don't worry. Feel free, this is your new house. And we are now your parents.
Feel free.
Feel free.
Yes.
Don't worry. Relax.
Yes.
Let me go and bring something for you to eat.
Thank you very much, Mama.
This is Mama's house. You've come to Mama's house and you must eat.
So my daughter, are you still in school or what do you do for a living? What did you hear?
Nine. Dennis, your son, wants to bring curse to this family.
How?
Do you know that girl he introduced to us as the wife to be?
Yes.
Is that same girl that was banished from Omamori village for killing her parents?
Carol, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes!
Who told you?
Hey, my mama Neka told me. You know that she doesn't give false information. Hey, Dennis, you cannot bring that girl into this house. It's not possible. saying anything. Hey, you better say something though. Dennis cannot bring that girl into this house. I will not allow that. I won't.
Oh my God. Sophie, I've said this several. I've said it time and time again. Over and over again. Not once, not 3 times, not 5 times, not 10 times, not 20 times. That one of the good virtues you got from Mama is good cooking. How?
But are you telling me that you're enjoying the food?
Enjoying is an understatement. I'm having fun. This thing is delicious, man. It is. I love it.
Thank you.
You know, I can assure any man that's going to marry you that his stomach.
But
good food won't be a problem at all.
But I can trust me on that now. I can take care of the stomach of any man.
You can say that again.
Thank you, brother.
Sophie. Sophie, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this? Why is calling? Good day, Papa. How are you? What? What's wrong with her? Listen, Papa. Papa, listen. Take her to the hospital. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be in the village. Papa, there's no need to panic, okay? Just do like I said. Take her to the hospital. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be in the village. She's fine. Okay, Papa. Bye-bye.
Brother, what's the problem?
Mama is sick.
Dennis! Hey,
Mama, what's going on? What happened?
Come, let's go inside. I will explain to you. Come.
I thought Papa said you were sick.
Let's go inside. I will explain to you. Don't worry. Come. Now, let's go. Let's go.
Mama, I don't understand.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Huh? You sure?
Hey. Hey, Dennis, you're looking so fine.
Mama scared me. Mama said the way they come, okay? Where's Mama?
I don't care whether you love her or not. What I am saying is that you are not going to marry her. Yes.
Papa, why do you hate this girl so much? What did she do to you?
She has not done anything to me, oh. Huh? But she's a witch.
Says who?
You are the only one that does not know how she killed her parents and was banished from her land. Everybody in this village knows her.
Mama, Papa, there is something I want us to understand. You see, in life, what people say or think about you don't matter. What matters is what you know and think about yourself. The Ogechi I know is a nice and innocent person, Papa.
My son, there are a lot of evil stories which you do not know
surrounding that girl. And I cannot just sit back and watch you marry that witch. I will never support the marriage.
Your father is right. Dennis, my son, listen to the voice of wisdom. Listen to your father.
Let me even ask you, Papa. Is this a reason you called me on the phone to tell me to lie to me that Mama was sick? And I drove all the way from the city to the village only to find Mama hale and healthy?
Oh, is it not enough reason?
Papa, what if on my way from the city to the village I was involved in an accident?
God will forbid that.
What would have happened? Papa, do you know I abandoned everything I was doing in the city, my business and everything, just to rush down to the village? Alright? Because you lied to me about Mama? Why would you lie to your son, Papa?
You are my only son, and I won't just fold my hands and watch you entangle yourself to a witch.
It is not fair, Papa, and I don't like it.
Nobody deceived you.
I don't like it.
Nobody deceived you, Dennis. We are just trying to protect you.
Mama, why would you do that? Why would you deceive me into coming back in the dance that you were sick? For what? Why would you deceive me into coming back to the village? My Papa telling me you were sick? Under panic, I rushed. I left my businesses, everything I had to do in the city, and rushed back to the village just to take you to the hospital. And then ended up here telling me, Mama, please, I don't like it.
Dennis,
I don't like it, Mama, please.
We did not deceive you. We are just trying to protect you.
You deceive me.
If you marry that girl, the image of this family will be affected.
Mama, it's my law. My law.
Hey, Dennis. Dennis.
Mama, it's my law.
Try to listen to me. Oh.
Dennis, what's wrong? You've been moody since you got back from your parents.
Yeah, I had, okay, I just had a little problem with my parents, you know, it's nothing to worry about, you know.
Has to do with me, right?
No, it has nothing to do with you.
Are you sure it has nothing to do with me?
Okay, I said it has nothing to do with you, okay? I know my parents. It can be difficult at times, you know, but I handle it. It's okay.
Then I advise that whatever it is, you reason with them. They're your parents. They always want the best for you. Okay? Dennis. Dennis.
It's alright. I heard you. I have to be on my way now. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Okay? Make sure you take care of yourself. Huh?
Okay. What happened?
Dennis just left here angrily now.
Dennis just left here angrily?
Yes.
Why?
He told me that his parents did not support his marriage intentions towards you.
How? I mean, how?
Well, rumor mongers in the village have told his parents about your being responsible for the death of your parents. He was not in a good mood at all, though he promised to come back to the village soon. It's alright.
It's alright, Ogechi. It'll be fine. Okay. Calm down. He's coming back.
Yes?
There's something I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
Mama called and said that you walked out on them in the village because of a girl they said you shouldn't get married to. Brother, you're not like this. What has come over you?
Yes, Sophie. I walked out on them. If that's what you want to know. Yes, I walked out on them. And I did because they refused to see reasons with me.
Hey brother, why do you insist on getting married to a girl everybody knows as a witch?
Excuse me? Huh? Sophie? Listen to me. Let this be the first and last time you ever refer to a girl I love and want to marry as a witch. Don't you ever try it.
So you're giving something to me.
What did I hear you say? What did I hear you say now? Good.
Nai.
Mm.
Since Dennis, our son, is bent on marrying that girl, it's better that we allow him.
Nay, Dennis. How could you say a thing like that? Which one?
Nai. We are crucifying that girl based on what people have been saying about her. We don't even know the truth. You know that.
Has our son, Dennis, bribed you to convince me?
Not at all. I think that girl is not even as bad as we think. Moreover, since she came to this village, she has never had any problem with anybody. I'm sure of that.
What then are you suggesting we do?
Let's support their marriage. Moreover, I need my grandchildren.
It's now you say what you want. Women and their love for children. It can make them go extra miles. They can do the unthinkable. It's okay. I support them.
Hey, no, thank you very much.
Grandchildren.
That is so fine.
I need it also.
Ogechi.
Sir.
So you're in agreement with him, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is not going to pass on.
Okay.
How many is there?
What